Hello world, this is Saurabh, and in this video I'll be telling you how to use attraction marketing on Facebook. So if you don't know me, my passion is to help you build your influence and live the life of freedom using online marketing. So now coming back to the topic as to how you can get started with attraction marketing on Facebook. So before that, let me just explain you the concept of attraction marketing. Attraction marketing is the right way to do marketing in 2020, where you attract the right people, your target audience towards you. And how you can do that is by putting out the content which is around the pain points of your target audience. And next comes the question as to where do you put the content. So you can put the content on any social media platform, be it Facebook, be it YouTube, be it Instagram, be it Twitter, or whatever. So in this video I'll be showing you how you can use Facebook to do attraction marketing. So for that, let me just take you inside my Facebook profile and show you everything. So this is my Facebook profile, and the first thing which you have to do in order to get started with attraction marketing to attract the right people, the right leads in your business is by creating the profile the right way. And for that, very first thing which you have to do is you need to have a clear display picture of yourself. So it should be a headshot, something like this. And your face should be clearly visible. There should not be any picture of, let's say, some flower or something else, some sports equipment, or I've seen some crazy display pictures on Facebook. So in order to connect with people, in order for people to build the know, like, and trust factor, they should see you, that they should know you, they should see you, how you look like and what you are all about. So for that, you need to put a clear display picture with a headshot. So take that into account. And the next thing comes your cover picture. And this is my cover picture, and it gives the message that helping people build financial freedom with affiliate marketing. So that is my main motto, that is my passion, that is my goal. And that goal should be clearly visible on your display picture, so that anyone who is visiting your profile can see what your profile is all about, what exactly you're into. So you can create this kind of display picture using a free tool like canva.com, or you can outsource it on fiverr.com. And I got this picture made for like $12. So you could use any method to create the right cover image for your Facebook profile, because this is very important, the cover image and the display picture. The next important thing is the intro part, which is here, where I mentioned mentor in 30 days to $1,000 challenge yourself, and I give the link to my offer. So here you need to put your introduction. It is not necessary that you have to put a link over here. It is up to you, but again, this is the real estate which Facebook has given you. So you utilize it, pass on a message to your audience, what you're all about, what you're up to. And then you could put like where you live, and you can also give the links to different social media profiles, like I've given link to my Twitter, my YouTube, and my website. And the next important thing which you need to take care of is the featured image. So on this featured image, what I am doing, I am asking people to join my Facebook group, and there is a call to action on it as well. So if I click on it, it's taking some time over here. So as you can see, this is the link to my Facebook group. So again, you have to put the featured image. So it could be anything. If you don't have a group, then you could pass on some message. Basically, people use this featured image to put a call to action and get people in their group or to their offers. So this is the basic real estate, basic things you have to do in order to create a profile that looks professional and that is going to attract the right target audience. And as you can see, I've got more than 3,000 friends. So all these friends are my business friends, my target audience, my business partners, my teammates. And there is no family or friends over here in this particular profile. So you have to segregate your family, friends to your business friends and your colleagues and your partners. And now comes the most important part about what to post and what kind of content you need to create on Facebook. So there are different kind of posts which you could do, and the basic formula which we call is RVL, which is the results based, the value based, and the lifestyle based. So as you can see on my profile, so I've been tagged over here. This is a snapshot of the challenge what we are currently doing, the high ticket closing challenge. And then we have this motivational post again. These kind of posts are very important. It brings up the engagement. As well, as you can see, I've got some high engagement on this particular post. And the next kind of post which I want to show you is this kind of post where I'm offering a lead magnet. I'm offering something of value to people out there. So what I've done over here, I put together a daily action plan that can help to attract potential buyers on Facebook without spending on ads. So you can see there is a hook in it, and that people who are there in my Facebook friends list, they see it, and I've just given them a call to action, want a copy. And you can see the kind of engagement which I got on this particular post. So the next kind of post which I want to show you is again this kind of post where it is basically to get the engagement. What websites do you visit on daily basis while enjoying your morning coffee? So again, you can see the kind of engagement which I'm getting on this kind of post. And this particular post is regarding the challenge. It's basically the offer which I'm giving to the people. So it is very important that you have to come up on Facebook on daily basis. Consider Facebook as your own shop where you have to show up on daily basis. And in a week you could do like 2 direct promotion posts of your business, of your offer. But keep in mind, you do not have to share any links inside the post. Otherwise, Facebook won't rank your post in other people's feeds. So it's a big no to put links in your Facebook post. So remember that and make sure you don't post any links. And then this particular post, it's a story post of my fitness journey, and where I tell people about how fitness has changed me and how it can help them. Again, these kind of posts are to attract the people, are to build relationship with people seeing these kind of posts, they resonate with me. It builds a know, like, and trust factor, which is very important in a business. So the other kind of post which I want to show you is this one, where I tell struggling to get eyeballs to your offer, and I listed the problems which people face and what they can do. So I've given them the solution as well. And the call to action which I've done in this particular post is to get people to join my Facebook group. So the idea of putting the link inside the Facebook post, you need to understand Facebook don't want people to get off Facebook. So you should not be putting any external third-party links in your post, like a link to YouTube or to your blog post or some other third-party site. So what I've done over here, I've given the link to my Facebook group. So people clicking on this link will stay inside Facebook. So you need to understand this particular point. You, as a Facebook business plan, they want people to stay on Facebook. They don't want people to get off Facebook by clicking link. So this is very important. And you could do Facebook lives, you could do watch parties. Facebook live is also very important in order to connect with people. Video marketing, people would like to see whom they want to do business with. So gone are the days where you can just sit behind your computer and just without showing yourself, without showing your face. It doesn't work in 2020, frankly. So these are all about the posts, what you have to do. And the the next thing what you have to do in order to attract people, in order to build your target audience on Facebook, is to engage with people on their posts. So all those people who have engaged on my post, I go back and engage on their post with a meaningful comment. It's not like you just have to put a good morning or a good afternoon or true or all right or something, a short comment. You need to interact with people. You need to see what people are talking about, and then you have to engage on their posts as well. And what happens is, once you engage on people posts, then they come back to your profile, they see your profile, and that is how people get connected. People see that, okay, this person is something, that this person is doing something right, and as I said, that builds the know, like, and trust factor. And the other important thing which you have to keep in mind is never talk about your company directly. You talk about your business. Yes, you could do one post a week talking about your business, but your profile should not be like, promotion, 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 promotion. There should not be posts about promotion where you're just putting links and you're just spamming links all across Facebook. So that is going to hurt your visibility on Facebook, and eventually Facebook will ban you if you just keep on sharing links and just putting promotional posts in different groups and on your wall. So guys, that is all I wanted to share today, and I hope you got some value out of this video. And for all you lovely people out there, I'm going to give you my Facebook lead generation blueprint, which you can get access by clicking on the link down below. And if you have any questions regarding attraction marketing on Facebook or anything in general regarding online marketing, feel free to reach out to me. So thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Cheers.